All right, we are awarding the Golden Paw. Miss Jensen's class is going to help us out today. Miss Jensen's class, how do we get the Golden Paw? How do we earn it? Jolie.
By being respectful in like Mr. Erickson class, library, and Miss Smith's class.
Good. Being respectful in specials class. Okay, and earning our paws in there and doing what we're supposed to in specials. Excellent. All right, do you guys want to help me announce who gets it? Yeah. Okay, can I have a drum roll, please? 5th grade! Good job, 5th grade. Okay, we are in Miss Loberg's class. Miss Loberg's class, who can tell me what you earned the golden soccer ball for? Landon.
For being respectful at recess and being kind.
For being respectful at recess and being kind and following our expectations of Kaifuti. Excellent. All right, do we want to know who won golden soccer ball this time? Yeah. Can you guys give me a drum roll, please? It goes to 2nd grade. Good job, 2nd grade. Proud of you. All right, we are in Miss Tucker's class, and we are announcing the winner of the golden apple. Who can tell me how we earn the golden apple? Yes, sir. How do we earn it?
We earn it by staying quiet in the lunchroom and by staying in our seats and also by being respectful.
Good. Being respectful, staying in our seats, staying quiet in the lunchroom, and making sure we're cleaning up after ourselves, right?
Yeah.
All right. So let's announce who gets it. Can you guys do a drum roll, please? 2nd grade. Good job, 2nd grade. Hi, Walker Wolves. Here are our students who got outstandings this week. We have Natanahim from Miss Lookinland's class, Dallery from Miss Dodd's class, Sophia from Miss Jen's class, Chelsea from Mr. Pritchard's class, Sarah from Miss Courtney's class, Kaislyn from Miss S's class, Nichelle from Miss W's class, Aiden from Miss Marshall's class, Hazanat from Miss Loberg's class, Randall from Miss Niles' class, Martina from Miss Kemp's class, Sajania from Miss Russell's class, and Angel from Miss Lopez's class. Students, great job on getting an outstanding this week.
Our focus this week is using kind words.
Lo que necesitamos trabajar en esta semana es usando buenas palabras.
And that week is decir kind words oku.
En nuestro programa Rosa asked who words would be.
All right, thank you students for sharing what our focus is for this week. We are focusing on using kind words and being kind to one another. And these students have some great examples of how we do that.
You are good at this game.
Eres bueno en este juego.
Te indeke ge.
Tu jugaste Katini.
That's nice.
Eso es bueno.
Te nice ke.
Jugaste.
Please and thank you.
Por favor y gracias.
Manana mata.
Ga je even checken?
Stop, I don't like that.
Para, a mí no me gusta eso.
No ka.
Ga je mag snel door zijn?
All right, awesome job, students. Thank you, and thank you for sharing those in all your different languages. So, students, if you want to earn an outstanding this week and be able to spin the wheel, you need to focus on using kind words and being kind to each other. Thank you, and have a great week.